Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram gallery empty problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and go to the apps, scroll down to the apps section. Now go to the search and search on Instagram. Now next go to the storage, and here as you see we'll find this clear cache option. Click on it and now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe you can try to clear data, but be careful. When you clear data, all your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, databases, settings, accounts, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.